Today we will be talking about prompting. Now, how can I give a perfect prompt or write a perfect? Because prompting is so important. If with the perfect prompting, you can get a heck out of an AI model. I mean, you give only ask questions. If you only ask questions like search engine, do this, do that, but do the job or give me that. The AI will answer, but it will hallucinate. Hallucinate means you can say it will get confused and won't be able to understand what you are saying or like that. So we need a perfect format for a prompt. Now you can remain or you can give a good shortcut for this, that what should be included in the prompt when I will write a prompt. So the first thing that will so here are the 5 things that you will actually need. The 5 things are, you can get the mnemonic, that P, C, T and FR. So what is the what does it mean by P? P means you have to give a persona, which means at the first or at the beginning you have to give a soul or character or why you are want the task, that thing. Then the second thing is C. C means context. So you have to give a context. Context means why you are wanting the task or why are you wanting that, like that. Don't worry, I will give it an example after I explain these things. And then you have to give T. T means task, or what the task you are done, or most of us write this thing when we are giving prompt, or means we only give the task, not the things before that or not the things after that. So after you give the task, then is F. F for format. Format means what you are going, format means the output format, means the output, like you want the answer in table, or you want the answer in a paragraph, or something like text or something in picture or video, like that. And then the last thing you have to give is a reference. Reference means if you want to give, like you want to you want an image, so give an image as a reference, that like this or like that, give me an image like this, or a video, you can provide that. So reference is important, because if you give a reference, the AI will understand it very perfectly. It is not necessary that you have to give, but in case of media generation, like image generation or video generation, then you should give a reference. And throughout this process, after you give this an input, then it will give the answer. Now we will give an example. Let's say you are giving, let's say you are a businessman. So the first thing you will need, you will give it a persona. Now persona, you can give persona in 2 rules, 2 things or 2 types. First thing or first type is, you may say that what you are, or like you can start the prompting, I am a businessman, or you can say just suppose you are, which means you are saying giving a character to the AI to play as a character. You are giving a role to the AI. The second thing is like that. So the first line would be like this, that I am a businessman, and then second you will have to give it a context, that why are you wanting the task. So this context will be, let's say you want to start a business, so you are writing, I want to start a business for most of included in a social network for Gen Z, like that, or you have a small amount of money. So like that, you gave an context, and then there will be task, means what do you want from the AI model. So so then you will write the task. So what is the task? The task will be like this, give me 10 business ideas for on this context, like that. And then you will give the format. You want a table form, you may say, give me the ideas in table form, and there should be column included, which will be like, you may say the risk rate or the success rate or the risks of that, in the risk included in that perfect in that specific business idea, or the success rate of that specific business idea, like that. Then you may format, you have given the format, then you may given a reference to, like, you make a spreadsheet and then on Google Sheet, and then you supply the document for that, and that's how you do. Now when you will give this prompt, and let's say you only give the task, means you only give me give me 10 business ideas, then the result will be so much different. You will be able to see. So and which will be so much time consuming also. So you will be able to reduce the time consumption. You'll be more effective, and you will get the perfect output from an AI model, and that's how you will do it. Best of luck.